Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install the eyewear kit into the Guardian. So the first thing you want to do is take off your spectacles. You can set those off to the side. It makes it a little bit easier if you take the straps and kind of push it over the front of the mask so they're out of the way. Alright, so what you want to do is, you got your wire form and you got this U facing down, right? So it's going to sit in the mask like that. Inside the mask, here if you can see this, there's these little lugs. I don't know if you can get that. So there's little lugs, and in those lugs there's a hole in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this through one of the lugs. Try and feed it in there. 1 second. There we go. So you can see I kind of started it.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, you want to feed that through one. So it'll kind of sit in there like that for now. And then I'm going to set the mask down because it's a little bit easier to get the other side in like that. So I'm going to sit this down, and you kind of need to bend the wire in and then feed it through the other lug. Like that. So it'll kind of sit in there like that, and then you can kind of move it within those lugs a little bit so it gets to be where you need it to go. And then you can take your glasses, stick those in the mask so they're like that, and you can also move it up or down on this block. So if they're sitting too high, you can push them down, and it should be sitting in there just like that. Good.